Good morning everyone. Today I am going to explain you the question answer of our poem Geography lesson. Yesterday I have explained you this poem. So today please concentrate. I am going to explain you the question answers. Read the following stanzas and answer the questions given below them. Here a stanza is given and from that stanza we have to write the answers of given questions. Question number 1. What does the poet think when he goes up in the jet? The poet goes up in the jet and from that jet he saw down the city from 10,000 feet above. So when the poet goes up the jet, what does he think? When the poet goes up in the jet and looks below, it becomes clear to him why the city has developed in such a way. This thought came into the poet's mind. Question number 2. How does the setup on the ground seem to the poet? To the poet, our answer is to the poet, the setup on the ground seems quite disorderly. पोएट को लगा था कि जो सिटी का डेवलप किया हुआ है वो सिस्टेमेटिकली नहीं है, वो डिसऑर्डर मैनर में है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. व्हाट अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोएट is inevitability? So our answer is according to the poet, the way the city has developed is inevitability. It means as the need arose, it went on looking unsystematically. Now next, second stanza is given and from that stanza we have to write the question answers. So question number 1 in second stanza, what became clear to the poet when the jet soared 10,000 feet? So the answer of this question is when the jet soared 10,000 feet, it became clear to the poet why cities were developed along rivers and why people inhabited valleys. 10,000 फीट की ऊपर से जब पोएट जेट से नीचे का जो सीनरी था वो नोटिस कर रहे थे, वो ऑब्जर्व कर रहे थे, तो उनके माइंड में क्या क्लियर हुआ? सो when the jet soared 10,000 feet, it became clear to the poet why cities were developed. उनको ये क्लियर हुआ कि जो सिटीज़ हैं वो रिवर्स के इतने नज़दीक क्यों डेवलप की हुई हैं एंड वाई पीपल इनहेबिटेड वैलीज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. व्हाट लॉजिक ऑफ ज्योग्राफी इज रिवील्ड इन दिस स्टैंजा? In second stanza, the poet reveals the logic of geography. So, what logic of geography is revealed in this stanza? The answer of this question is the logic of geography is water is the basic need of all living beings. We all know that water is our basic necessity. All our civilizations have been developed along the bank of the rivers for this reason. हम जो इंसान हैं उनकी बेसिक नेसेसिटी, बेसिक जो हमारी नीड है वो क्या है? तो वो पानी है. विदाउट वाटर वी कांट लिव एंड लाइफ सीम्स इम्पॉसिबल विदाउट वाटर. सो all living beings and all our civilizations have been developed along the bank of rivers for this reason, and for the same reason valleys are also populated. Question number 3. What is the message that the poet wants to convey in the poem? Our heading is, name of the poem is Geography lesson. So from that poem, what is the message that the poet wants to convey in the poem? So in this poem, the poet wants to convey the human beings have acquired a lot of knowledge and understanding, yet they draw boundaries, hate each other and are ready to kill each other. They have failed to love one another and live peacefully on this wonderful planet. पोएट हमें ह्यूमन बींग्स को कौन सा मैसेज कन्वे करना चाहते हैं फ्रॉम दिस पोएम? सो आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू ड्यूरिंग अवर पोएम ऑल्सो दैट पोएट सेड, व्हाट डज द पोएट से? द पोएट सेड ह्यूमन बींग्स हैव एक्वायर्ड नॉलेज. ह्यूमन बींग्स, इंसान के पास कितना सारा नॉलेज है, कितनी सारी अंडरस्टैंडिंग्स है, फिर भी जो इंसान है उसने क्यों बाउंड्रीज बिल्ड की है? क्यों एक इंसान दूसरे इंसान से इतनी नफरत करता है? क्यों एक इंसान दूसरे इंसान को मारना चाहता है? सो पोएट कन्वेज द ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैव एक्वायर्ड लॉट्स ऑफ नॉलेज एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग, येट दे ड्रॉ बाउंड्रीज, हेट ईच अदर एंड आर रेडी टू किल ईच अदर. जो पोएट है वो क्या बोल रहे हैं? वो बोल रहे हैं कि जो ह्यूमन बीइंग्स है, इंसान है, वो एक दूसरे को लव करने में फेल गए हैं. मीन्स एक दूसरे को चाहते नहीं हैं, एक दूसरे से बहुत सारी नफरत करते हैं. दे हैव फेल्ड टू लव वन अनदर एंड लिव पीसफुली. इंसान शांति से रहना नहीं चाहता है. अगर ये प्लेनेट इतना वंडरफुल है, सो इंसान जो पीसफुली वो रह सकता है तो वो नहीं रहता, बिकॉज दे हैव फेल्ड टू लव वन अनदर एंड लिव पीसफुली ऑन दिस वंडरफुल planet. So here our question answers are completed. I hope you all understand it. Thank you everyone.